Careful. One fall and that's it. No health plan, no backup. Look how me look. This one really come a country come go out with. I never said long. You know me have to come up here so. Just to come at the farm. I guess this is how city girls retire. Who said the farm was just up the road? Not even like a mountain you can climb. You think this is like when you're like uptown friend them a climb up on Blue Mountain? A serious drastic business out there some there. City girl. I can take on much more of the country life, you know. I'm not lie though. The mountains look good. The breeze up here feel refreshing. But culture bite me. I feel things that bite up my skin. Why you itching now? Your body rejecting the environment. Remember same way with outside, itch, scratch, pitch, patch, watch out, courage, a lick, shot. When I go back down, I have to get a good bed. Grandma better make sure so she cook a good dinner for me, you know. Because all of them at work has stress me out. I'm tired. I'm still not reach yet. I have a far way to go. You come to save money and end up at work for free. What? Country nice, that's it. Look how you sweat like you're trained for the Olympics and nobody not give you a medal.